Ay, hindi. More than pa siguro kasi champion din siya ng mga ano eh.
Oo, lagi siyang champion eh.
Dami rin
Passwords
yan
eh.
champion.
Pero mamaya na yan.
Ayun, tinamaan!
Ang sakit! Ano yun?
Napara-revitalize si Daddy JP.
Ay, ito ko mapapa-revitalize ako dun
Sakit.
eh.
Uy, ikaw, Tori, mapapa-ulti ka dun eh.
Uy! Oh my God,
Oh,
Cardi!
grabe! Si Carl ang tinamaan ng ligaw na pana.
Ayun na nga! Ang kapangyarihan ng Selena ni Super Prince. Wala na. Sanford,
Uy, teka lang ha. Si Sanji nasa likod ha.
Si Keldra. Kaso, ayun na.
Ay,
Naku,
bumalik.
inabangan ni Sanji yung BMI. Ang galing.
Pero si Oeb,
Pero,
wala.
Ay, kaso patay pala si
GG.
Oeb.
Tas may
Ay,
ano.
boy pa si Keldra. Wala, GG. GG.
Tingnan mo, Dabi.
Oh my God, palto ka din naman,
Tingnan mo.
Mais.
Gravity.
Oh my God! Ang dami mong Nostra na tumatama.
Nakakambak ngayon ang Onyx.
Nakabawi.
Tumutulak. Kita na nila si Sanford. Oh, Jimmy.
Alam nila, 4v5 na magiging laban. Masyado pa malayo dito si Sanford. Pwede madaliin. Nandiyan si Kerra.
Uy, tinamaan! Pana!
Oh my gosh! Nagamit at na-force it kagad yung Revitalist dito ni Danny JP. May mga na-expend na resources dito at TLPH. Habang nagamit na rin yung mga camera.
Ana! Aray ko! Wow!
Philippines with that crucial lapis sa araw para kay Super Friends. Kailangan umatras dito ni OA. Bibigay natin nila dito.
Gago! Pumapalag!
Magsabayan pa rin si Sanford, the Apex Predator. Inabot si Keller. Nakabili na rin ng Emergency. Pero andun yung BMI.
Gago si Keller, namamatay yata. Uy!
OA na lang ang magiging target nila. May abing sa trap.
Tapos!
Pwede na tapusin ng Onyx Philippines. Hindi yata aabot ni Sanford.
2-0 guys! Aray ko!
Kasi na to, walang iba.
Teka lang! Gago! Onyx is back guys!
Onyx Philippines.
Minion waves threatening. Right now, though, it seems like Team Liquid Philippines minions are handling it well enough. Although the mid-lane minion wave needs to be handled. Super Prince. He's going to continue throwing out those arrows. Down to 30%. Is on 30,000. Is on actually going for a little bit of damage. Onto JP. That got the gotcha. Looks like paper. With the late game damage Onyx brings to the table.
Oh, nice! Nice! Let's go!
Super Prince.
Let's go! Let's go!
Of Liquid in this series. Sanford, Oheb trying to hold
Oh
on.
my goodness, that was absolute cinema. Beautiful scene.
Nice, Kara! Oh no!
Slowing them
There's
down. But the
Sanji.
rest of Bollinger still chasing Oheb.
Getting chased down.
Nice one,
And
guys.
King Kong
Kara still
delivers
save,
the final
guys.
blow. San cannot hold. Onyx
go, let's go,
wins
let's go.
the series.
Let's go.
And that is a
2-0
2-0
for my
from the
boyfriend
land
and
of
his
the
team. It's
sand.
good game.
It
Well
is gonna
played.
be
Grabe
Onyx
talaga.
Philippines
People, you guys
clearing it
did
out
really well.
against
You.
the current Eagles champs.
With the
Okay
amount
now,
of
guys.
outplays that happened in
It's-
that game, the amount.
Nah ini udah mau nggak mau langsung ke kanan nih yang bikin perang nih habis majuin mid nih Sanford nge-show. Langsung Brusco maju semua guys. Lampu-lampu nge-show.
Malayo dito si Sanford. Pwede madaliin. Nandiyan si Kerra. Natatapos
Maju Dot, pasti maju Dot, lampu-lampu nge-show. Oh, dipok-pok manja.
Mana maju?
Itu tadi maju tuh. Dipok-pok manja, reset lagi.
Bukan maju, kontol.
Kena. Waduh, kena lele. Waduh, diflickerin.
Kenapa bang dia nggak langsung maju? Oke, gue jelasin. Pertama dia main Selena guys, nggak bisa asal tabrak. Kalau dia asal tabrak itu nggak bakal maksimal. Bisa menang kiri. Kalau tadi udah connect arrow baru bisa ngegas.
Dia harus ngepok dulu.
That's it bro.
Ayo Dot, Roblox Dot.
Ayo kayak aja lah.
Apa nak nunggu match 3-nya be Dot? Match 3-nya sih selesai MPL Indo mulai Dot. Like dulu guys yang baru joinnya, istirahat bentar guys. Capek banget energi gua habis, Cok.